Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Qiibee Foundation token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the QBX token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I haven't heard this pronounced before, but it looks like Qiibee. Qiibee, and this is their Twitter right here at Qiibee FDN, which is short for Foundation, and they have 334,800 Twitter followers. There's a full link tree right there on their Twitter that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. They have 266 posts so far, gold verified checkmark, and it was just announced on Twitter here that this token will be listed on Gate. So it says here on the Gate Startup Twitter at Gate.io_startup, GT, which is Gate's token, GT is the ticker symbol. So GT holders exclusive, QBX is live, hold no less than 10 GT to share $70,000 of QBX. The more GT holding, the more free airdrops. And that is an event here that looks like it goes on from October 27th to October 29th. And then it says after that, trading time and date will be announced on Gate. So you will be able to get this token on Gate eventually. Right now they're having this holders exclusive event. And so this is an initial offering startup event here. But yeah, so eventually, if you just follow at Gate.io_startup, or you follow this Twitter right here, Qiibee's Twitter, they did retweet that tweet about the air, so you can see it on both Gate's Startups Twitter and this Twitter here. They will announce the date and time when this token will be available for trading. So you could just download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or open an account at Gate.io. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Then go into the trade section when the token gets listed and search QBX, the ticker symbol, and then simply buy the token. Like I said, if you follow this Twitter though right here at Qiibee FDN, you'll see when the date and time is, and then you're also probably going to see other central and decentralized exchange listing announcements on there as well. So, QuibeeFoundation.org is their official webpage. Over there, you can find a founder's key dashboard, QBX Quest button, blog articles. It says Web3 loyalty powered by the QBX token, making the $500 billion rewards economy more liquid by empowering billions of consumers to exchange rewards. Welcome to the Qiibee ecosystem. We offer the leading blockchain-based payment infrastructure for the rewards economy, empowering companies and consumers with the most efficient protocol for the tokenization and interoperability of loyalty programs and rewards powered by the QBX token. We have onboarded some of the world's largest brands featuring over 10 M miles, crypto points, digital and real world rewards from hundreds of brands in our ecosystem. 10 million plus rewards available in the ecosystem stats. Also, 171,000 plus loyalty wallets have been created. $800,000 plus in on-chain value transacted. They have partnerships and integrations with Renault, Miles and More, Binance, Coinbase, PayPal, Etihad, Quest, all sorts of different companies there. So it says introducing the QBX rewards chain, which is QRC. At Qiibee, we're unlocking the purchasing power of the $500 billion global rewards economy and empowering loyalty programs with QRC, with instant transactions, low transaction fees, transparency without risk, QBX for brands and QBX for customers. The rewards marketplace is powered by QBX. So this fuels the rewards marketplace, powering the utilities of each stakeholder on the Qiibee. For brands, QBX enables reward token creation and efficient transactions and integrations within the Qiibee ecosystem, launch a program or issue reward currencies from other programs, connect to 10 million plus rewards 100 times more efficient than current solutions, integrate with our API, loyalty white label, or Shopify plugin. So QBX VIP Club, it says Web3 loyalty at its finest. The first ever Web3 loyalty program that rewards you for posting content on X and instantly allows you to exchange your points for over 10 million rewards within our ecosystem. For holders, stake your QBX tokens to unlock VIP Club rewards, access more than 10 million rewards, earn points for staking QBX, cashback features, gaming content creation, and product feedback, and you could join the QBX VIP Club. So there's the Foundation Council, and they have their names, job titles. There's the Advisory Board. They have their names and job titles for those. All their strategic partners and angels are on here as well, like PG Capital, PMZ Capital, Based Citizen Capital, SC Group, etc. They've had press coverage in Forbes, Bloomberg, CNN, NASDAQ, CCN. And at the bottom of their page, there's lots of links. So if you go to that link tree, though, you're going to find all the links that'll take you anywhere. So they have a game, the Play QBX Tap game. And so that will take you over to a Telegram bot. And those are very popular these days. A lot of those are on the TON blockchain and whatnot. QBX VIP Club, you can check that out. QBX Founders Key. They have a Telegram, Discord, X, and website, all linked in that link tree there. Lots of blog articles you could read. So if you go to @QBX_tap_bot, that is going to be the game there. But then the community one at QBX_community on Telegram has 109,090 subscribers. So very popular project here. Huge Telegram following, huge Twitter following, getting a big gate listing. And I'm sure there's going to be many more listings popping up in their tweets here as it gets closer to their listing date. So stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.